Let's walk through how to create and send a quote in Fergus. We'll cover the essentials of quoting, formatting, and sending your quote to a customer. Note, this process is exactly the same for estimates. The only difference is the word your customer sees, quote or estimate. First, make sure you've created a job as a quote. If you need help with that, check out our Create Job video for a quick refresher. Now, navigate to your draft quote. If you've set up quote templates, click the template button at the top to select a template you'd like to use. If you haven't yet done this, feel free to skip this step and set that up later. Scroll down and click Add New Section. This is where you'll start building out your quote. You can add as many sections as you need. Each one helps break down the different parts of the job. First, name the section. For example, PowerPoint install. Add a description to outline the scope of work. This can include photos, links, and rich text formatting. Use the Add a Line Item bar to start entering your items. You have two options. The first option is manual entry. Just type a line item name, hit enter on your keyboard, then enter the cost price, sell price, and quantity. Remember, cost price is what you pay, and sell price is what you charge the customer. You should enter both cost and sell price where possible to ensure Fergus can report on your profit and loss. The other option is using your price book. If you've uploaded one to Fergus already, start typing and Fergus will auto-suggest matching items with prices pre-filled, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Fergus uses two default sales types, labor and materials. Be sure to tag each line item correctly by clicking the icon beside it. This ensures accurate reporting and proper syncing with your accounting software. Once your quote is priced, you can decide how much detail your customer sees. To combine multiple line items into one, select the items, click Bulk Actions, choose Combine to one line item, and give it a clear name like Labor and Materials or Total Price, for example. The full breakdown remains visible to you inside of Fergus, but your customer will only see the combined line. Click Preview in the top right to see exactly how your quote will look to your customer. Want to adjust what's shown on the quote? Click the pencil icon at the top to choose whether to show or hide certain columns of information, such as quantities and line item totals. This lets you control how much detail your customer receives. And if you need to take a deposit, be sure to scroll down to the total of the quote to do so. Simply click Add Required Deposit and fill in the amount. Check out our help article on deposits for a step-by-step guide. When you're happy with the quote, click Publish and Email to open the email template. Add any photos or attachments if needed, and finally click Send. Once sent, you'll see Accept and Decline buttons at the top right of the quote. Your customer can accept the quote via the button in the email they receive from you, or you can manually update the status if they've accepted verbally. And that's it! You've just created and sent your first quote in Fergus. Once the quote is accepted, you'll get a notification via email or in-app, depending on your settings.